Today I'll show you how to install Firefox, the Firefox browser on your macOS. This is MacBook Air and this works on MacBook Pro or any Mac really. You go to the Firefox website or you can search download Firefox for macOS and you have to make sure you select macOS here in this list. Then open the installation file, drag Firefox to the applications folder. You can unmount, you can eject the Firefox installation media. And now Firefox is installed. You can also customize it. You can import some settings if you have, but the easiest way to customize Firefox is to log in. They have this Firefox account where you can save bookmarks, the password manager, and also other preferences you might have. You can scan a QR code to sign in or use a security key. I have the two-factor authentication on this Firefox account, so it's always a good idea to have a two-factor authentication. And you see I already have the bookmarks there. It's simply like the computer was always there. All the settings are saved from one device to another, and also the devices can work together. This is a great option to have the Firefox as an option, as an alternative to Safari and Chrome or macOS, in case you're testing websites to make sure they work in all the browsers. Thanks for watching.